Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today, with Bitcoin having a little bit of a pullback, I definitely want to take some time to change up how I'm going to do this video. I'm going to have multiple tokens on this video. I'm going to be going over Bitcoin, going to be going over ApeCoin, Ocean, FTM, and Ethereum Classic. If you guys like this style of video, please like, comment down below. The reason why I chose these tokens is because they're all showing something very interesting to me. So if you could just leave a little commentary, that'd be great. Hit the like, look at the links down below, join the Discord where I actually post trade setups way too often for my own good. And without further ado, since we do have a lot on our plate, let's get into it. So looking at Bitcoin right now, we are on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you are getting into oversold territory. You have broken out of this rising megaphone pattern. Now, one thing a lot of people need to realize, these rising megaphone patterns, the shallow move is to the beginning of the megaphone. That's kind of why I have this line here that is looking to be used as support. We are bouncing currently, noted. Everything could change in a couple hours. This could just be a low time frame bounce, because as you can see on the 15-minute, you are running into a little bit of resistance while in that oversold territory, but you do see the MACD is trying to curve a little bit to the upside. We're going to see in the coming hours, we're probably going to be sleeping, how that goes. If you're in the States, I'm not sure where you guys are wherever you see this, but I will be sleeping, so I won't actually know how this plays out until I wake up in the morning. But on the 15-minute time frame, it does look like we are curving to the upside. If we go out to the 1 hour, looks like it's trying to find a local bottom. However, we do not have any form of bullish divergence. We don't have anything like that. We just have a falling and slight recovering. There is some buying. Noted this has been in the range we've been trading in this entire time. So if we can manage to not only break back into this megaphone but also break this downtrending line of resistance, we can flip back to being ultra bullish again, and we can continue our run to the upside. Now, noted, the reason why I'm going over Bitcoin right now is because Bitcoin is going to dictate exactly what all of these altcoins are going to do. So that just kind of is what it is. That's the market we live in. And now, that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. If you decide, or if the traders decide that this is the time that we start pulling back, what levels could we look for a little bit of support? We would be looking for support right here at this 21,455 level, where we have this trading range here, this peak right here, this trading range here, as well as the peaks over here. So that would be our next level of support if we did fall. That's where you'd look to find some bids coming in. And then, of course, if we lose that level, lose all of this, we would be looking to retrace all the way back down to $18,900. Now, personally, do I believe this is going to happen right away? Not really, just because we do have this golden cross. I understand the entire internet is in a flurry of, oh my goodness, but what about the death cross on the weekly? I'm not as concerned about the death cross on the weekly right now, because first off, we've never seen it in Bitcoin's history, so we have no idea how to take it. Just period dot, we have no idea how to take it. Another thing, if this breakdown does not continue to the downside and we actually pump to the upside, we could theoretically prevent it from happening. We could prevent the death cross. It would flatten out. If we actually went up here and tested it, it would flatten out. On top of that, another reason why I don't believe this death cross is going to have too much weight is because out of this falling wedge pattern, our measured move is 44% to the upside, getting up here to 26,466. Noted, this could just be an underperformance based off weekly candle closes here, but a single test, I find that unlikely. I don't know. I find it unlikely. I don't think that's going to play out in the Bears' favor like that, because noted, they had fun all last year And when I say all last year, I mean it. All last year, an entire year straight of downside. So, yes, we've had a good little run up. Yes, we've been consolidating. However, I don't think it's going to continue to the downside. It just, I don't have that feeling. I really don't. Not to mention here on the 1 hour, surprisingly enough, no. Yeah, surprisingly enough, we do have hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Go figure. Do we see that on the 4 hour too? No, we do not. We don't see it on the 4 hour. We see it on the 1 hour. So 1 hour is showing hidden bullish divergence with, as you can see here, a low, higher low. And with that, we have a low, a lower low with more participants. That's hidden bullish divergence. So overnight, I would expect it to recover a little bit based off that hidden bullish divergence. But we're going to see what the traders have in store for us. Now that's Bitcoin. Sorry I took so long on Bitcoin, but we needed to know what was going on with Bitcoin. I'm glad I saw that because I did not see that before. I see it now. Now let's go ahead and go over to FTM Phantom. Now FTM Phantom, let's come out to the daily real quick so you can see what I'm seeing. FTM Phantom has been on an absolute tear to the upside. We started going parabolic. We can see we hit here, we came straight up. Now it looks like we're just getting another touch. The reason why I say it looks like we're just getting another touch is because of multiple things. Here on the daily, we don't, I mean, yeah, we do have bearish divergence. Don't get me wrong. We got bearish divergence from all the way back here. It's just been going. But it does look like we are just trying to reset. And if we can manage to not only hold this level but then make another high and get higher on the relative strength index, it would cancel out the hidden bearish divergence. It just would. But we technically have hidden bearish divergence. Another bad thing we just did, we did have this peak over here. We broke below it. You would look to find support at 4604 before falling down to 4187, and then your better support would be right here at the 3928 if we lost our parabolic trend. Let's come out to the 4 hour. Now on your 4 hour, this is the very interesting part. We have hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Kid you not. Hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour on the MACD. You guys are like, what are you talking about? We're just dumping. No, we actually have hidden bullish divergence if we stop dropping here. So you can see from this drop, we rose back up before we fell harder. And now if we start painting a little bit of positive momentum, buyers start stepping in, that is hidden bullish divergence. And that would be extremely strong for FTM because you break this level, you have 81% upside. I did make a video a few days back talking about it looks like FTM's looking to do a moonshot. This is what I was talking about. It looks like it's about to do a moonshot. The fact that you are testing this trend again, you can see what happened on the last time. You can see what could transpire. It's possible if the traders want it to happen. But it does look like we are resetting our stochastic for the 4 hour. We are in oversold territory, or we're in the bearish control zone for the 4 hour. Not oversold yet, but bearish control zone. Let's see what we're seeing out of the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour might actually have something interesting. Yes, it does. There it is again. Hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. You can see it plain as day. I guess it's not plain as day, but it's a low and a higher low. Technically higher low. We are zoomed in here looking for that hidden bullish divergence. There it is. The hidden bullish divergence. I love it. I love seeing it. I really do. So you got the hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. You had this falling channel you were in right here. And surprisingly enough, the wick touched the bottom of the channel before coming right back up. So that's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. We are holding on this level of support. It gets even wilder when you look at the 15 minute, because on the 15 minute could not close below this level. So if you were looking to trade this right now, very simply put, you'd enter a long, you'd put a stop loss right below this wick, right below it. You'd probably put it down here at 48362. You get stopped out, then switch over to shorting, and you're expecting to come down to 39.28. Plain and simple. That's the nice thing about these pullbacks. It gets really easy to identify things. Really easy. So that's FTM. Now let's go ahead and shift over to Ocean. I'm just going in order by way of my watch list here. Now Ocean, quite interesting little move here. Ocean has been going parabolic like crazy. Let's get this line out of here so I can tell you what I saw. Now, on these parabolic trends, you can see a lot of these tokens have been doing the same thing where it's coming up, breaks out, backtest. This is a successful backtest before further upside. Successful backtest before further upside. That is what I see out of this token. You are completely in overbought territory. Don't get me wrong. You're beyond overbought. Crazy overbought. But it could still possibly move up because of the craze around the AI stuff. So, on the daily, yes, you're in overbought territory. Your stochastic starting to curve to the downside. However, you still do have room to go up. You honestly do. Your 4-hour stochastic happened to reset. Your 4-hour stochastic reset. You got back into the neutral zone on your relative strength index. Also, it does look like you have technical bearish divergence. Technical. So will this play out right now or not? Kind of depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts going up, I do believe this is going to have a chance to go up. But you have a low, higher price, more momentum building. This also could be considered a hidden bullish divergence, I believe. I'm going to have to look that up again. But let's go ahead and drop down to lower time frames. So if we're looking at the 1-hour time frame here, you can see exactly what happened. We just came down to backtest. Now we are finding support, and it looks like the buyers are starting to step in. So as long as Bitcoin doesn't roll over or continue to drop, I do believe this has a solid possibility of going straight up to 70 cents. Ocean Protocol. I don't need to spend that much time on this because I have everything drawn already, but all we need to do right now is take out this level of resistance. Once you take that out, then, I mean, it's off to the races. Off to the races. But you can distinctively see this level was support, which was formerly resistance. You have finally backtested as support. Now it looks like the buyers are stepping in, which is great. All right, let's go ahead and check out ETC, I believe, is up next. ETC. Nope, ApeCoin is next. So I don't remember where I put ETC. Anyways, ApeCoin, ApeCoin, ApeCoin. I'm highly bullish on ApeCoin. Highly bullish. And that's because of the daily. Now the daily here, we just did something great. I'm going to zoom in on this for you. Golden cross. The 50 simple moving average is crossing over the 200. Golden cross. Not to mention, you are sitting in a bull flag, consolidating, just consolidating down. You have technical higher levels of negative momentum with much higher prices. You do have this pesky little hidden bearish divergence on the stochastic or on the relative strength index. However, your daily stochastic RSI reset already. All we need to do is set a higher high on the relative strength index to invalidate that hidden bearish divergence. We come down to the 4-hour. Your 4-hour looks so strong. The sellers were trying to push this price down as hard as they possibly could. You want to know what they did? It was a wick. They couldn't even touch your 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour. Couldn't even touch it. And then the best part is, on top of that, you're putting in hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour. That's much stronger than the 1-hour. It's much stronger. You have a low, a lower low, higher momentum. Right here, higher momentum. I mean, heck, you can even say it's triple hidden bullish divergence. Could even argue that. You could say it's triple. Okay, no, you can't. You can just say it's bullish divergence. Okay, you can't say it's triple. I lied. You can't. But you saw it. Bullish divergence. So you are sitting literally right on top of support. Very simply put, if you wanted to enter a trade here, you would just throw a stop loss right down here, right below that 200 simple moving average. This is also coinciding with former support back here. You would just be in the wicks, former support. So if I were in this trade, which not going to confirm nor deny if I am, you could take some action on this based off the technicals, and your measured move is to actually get just above resistance up here at $7.67. Never financial advice, just telling you what the chart looks like. Never financial advice, I promise. But that chart looks good. Now let's go over to Ethereum Classic. This is the final one. The final one, Ethereum Classic. Let's come out to the daily. Coming out to the daily. Ethereum Classic here. It was in this giant falling channel. We finally broke out of it, and just like the rest of the market, you have, I don't know why I have this. Oh, I know exactly why I have this here. Mainly because you break certain levels, you end up going straight up. I want to know how high that was. But you're in this rising channel that it's technically a bull flag. It's just not one of the strongest ones. But on the daily time frame, this bull flag happens to look extremely good. If you get this measured move, there's not much stopping you from going straight up to $44. So we also have the 50 simple moving average currently crossing above the 100. What we would end up looking for first off is testing the 200 daily before we actually have takeoff. Noted, if Bitcoin gets bullish, we just did something great on Ethereum Classic. We came down, we tested the 200 simple moving average. We also had a low and a lower low, and the relative strength index stayed even. That is another form of hidden bullish divergence. As long as the price starts going up, hidden bullish divergence is playing out. If you were to think about getting into a trade on Ethereum Classic, your stop loss would have to be down here below this $21.37. Just in case there's a wick down, some random nonsense at play, just in case, you just want to be safe. But if this trade does play out, if it plays out, your upside potential on a measured move, 54% from where you're sitting at this moment. Never financial advice, just what I see out of the charts. Anyways, these are the tokens. This is what I'm seeing in the markets. This pullback I am not worried about because it's just getting back test. It's just the coins taking a breather. I am okay with this. I'm A-okay. This is healthy. This is good. We can't just go up forever. So anybody who's out there freaking out, if you made it this far into the video, please drop a like, subscribe, share with a friend. Also, I have links down below. Join the Discord, and heck, follow me on Twitter. I post charts up there sometimes too, but also it'd be nice just to build a Twitter following. That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, till next time, I will see you later. Good luck on your trades. Keep those stop losses tight. Stop losses will save you a lot of heartache, a lot of hard times, a lot of sadness. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy and good luck.